Welcome to the video. So we are starting out this workout with Sled. It's a little bit more challenging than I expected. So we're going in 40 yards down, 40 yards back, and in between sets, I'm kind of using the Hypervolt since I really didn't warm up. So in like 2 videos ago, I talked about like IT band stuff. So I'm pretty much going along my quad into the TFL, a little in the glute, and then a little bit on the tibialis anterior. So everything to get my legs warmed up a little bit and loosened up because my quads are always tight. So I think I'm gonna try to do 8 sets total of this, but the lungs are killing me here. And he's probably gonna add a lot more weight than me, so let's get to it. Alright, so he went 40 yards down, and now 40 yards coming back, so that's 1. So I'm just gonna add 1 more plate. Only thing you really have to worry about this exercise is using your back. So a lot of people will be like, oh, this exercise hurts my low back when I do it. And it's like, that's because you're using your low back when you shouldn't be. So you shouldn't be like bent over pushing with your back. It should be all your butt and bracing your core. I'll kind of show you how he does it because he keeps like very neutral, and you can tell his core is tight and he's driving with his legs. And this, I'm gonna die in this one. I think it's 3. Alright, so I've gone up to 1, 2, added 3 more plates, and I'm dying. This is my 5th one. Bracing the core, driving with the booty and the legs. So you can see too, he stays pretty neutral, which eliminates too much stress on the spine. Alright, set 6 of 8. My legs are kind of feeling like a little bit jello. I don't even feel anything in my low back, which is a very good sign. So yeah, these last 3 are going to be a little tough. We're going to do... Should I try doing that or no? Yeah? That's how much he did, so... Do it slow, but it will get done. Yeah, you don't have to record it though, it's too embarrassing. Alright, next up is some heavy single leg press, doing like 4 sets. And since this is heavy, like 5 reps each leg. Alright, so these machines are hoist machines. I absolutely love them because, like, as you can see, when you do the lift, it kind of goes with like the natural, your natural body movements. You like them too, huh? Yeah, I like them a lot, especially the back one. And I actually do like this bicep curl one. It's almost like you can't cheat the movement because you're just going with your natural body motion. last two exercises was the glute ham. This guy just took it. Heavens. So I was doing the glute ham. That is like hands down the best exercise you can do for your hammies. Not extending at the back. It's basically like a bicep curl for your hamstrings. I see people just like whipping their body, and it's just like putting so much stress on the low back. It's for the hammies. Like that is like the best exercise. So since I can't do that, usually I do this like more towards the beginning, more like plyo stuff, just because my legs are like toast right now. So it's coming down, change direction. So this kind of stuff is great for like ACL rehab type stuff, or just like leg hip stuff in general, because it's forcing you to change direction quickly, stabilize, land, and you always want to stick it at the end. So coming down that way. And like right now, like as soon as you hit the ground, you want to like explode. And like I honestly can't. It's so slow because I'm just like, my legs are kind of shaking. Okay, so that is basically the extent of this leg workout. I'm tired. Are you tired? Yeah, we did a lot. So maybe I'll do a quick adjustment because that's what you guys pretty much come here for. But other than that, we'll do adjustment quick, and this will be the end of the video. So give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And do you feel like you need to be adjusted? Yeah, okay.
And the roads they pave too fast for us. You gotta prove it if you're fast enough. And all my life I couldn't recognize these people walking.
Alright, so we are finishing out this video with an adjustment. Where do you feel the most locked up on? The ribs, you said? Yeah, okay. So he's saying he feels a rib out of place, and it's kind of hard to say because this muscle that runs kind of through his rhomboids here is very tight. There's a lot of knots through there. Tell me where you actually feel it.
Starts there.
Yeah, so I can kind of feel that there. So we're basically going to do one kind of like where he's saying this rib feels out of place. Kind of one in his mid-back and more through his CT into his neck. That's kind of the main areas he gets locked up on. Yeah, let your shoulders full.
I went a little bit.
They went a little?
Yeah.
So for him, especially after he works out, it's pretty hard to adjust him just because all of his muscles are pumped up, but he said we got a little one. It's just really, really hard to fight through all of his muscle. Compared to someone that's just like bigger, like overweight, it's not hard to adjust them just because their soft tissues give, and like for him, it just, you really have to like fight through it. Alright guys, so that is going to be the end of the video. A little workout stuff, leg focused workout, a little bit of biceps, and an adjustment. Woo! So give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already. I'm Dr. Leanna, owner of Chiropractor. Okay. Also, check Chiropractor out on www, I'll throw it up on the screen, chirofit/gym.com. We got chiropractic services if you want to schedule. The flexible dieting cookbook, it is great. Apparel, online coaching stuff, all kinds of fun stuff, so go check it out. I'll link it as always down below. Post your comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Yeah, I'm alright. Yeah, I'm alright.